Set mirror with that. Set mirror with that.
Miss Baby, careful, you know. Yeah, man, yeah, careful.
Uncle Murphy.
Morning time, Parrot. Morning time.
Yeah, blessings.
Blessing everybody.
Yeah, so what going where we read it up to?
Alright. We have some boiled egg here. Right here, boiled egg. And we have some
sardines. Yeah.
Pigtail.
Oh yeah, show them. We can show them my breakfast first now.
So we're gonna look at some
Sardine and boiled egg.
Boiled egg.
And tea.
And tea, right? That is some pigtail that. And it's soap, and we're gonna make some soup today.
Yeah, we did promise them, you know.
Yes, and see the peas soaking.
No pork eater can come here today. If you don't eat pork, you can't come.
Can't speak.
So, Barry, you hear that now? Well, that there, so me have workman here today, so that you hear in the background. So, we are going to break up some of them egg and mix up with the sardines. So, we are going to show you how we are doing. We wash off the sardine thing, them already, Barry. So, sardine. Sardine, do you know? Sardine expensive, you know?
Yeah, man, it's expensive.
Sardine gets so expensive. But for sardine, I give me trouble. Murphy, I want one. Me never, a sardine never give me problem for pull it. Yeah, that me tell you that I'm using knife and just follow the trace. No make it. Just take time, just get a little part up, yeah. Take time and you cut your mouth. Other knife here, you know. You know, so first this happened to me with a sardine. Happened with canned beef. Yeah, take your time. Workman, them just do it, Murph. Take time, take time. And cut up. Yeah, we'll squeeze some sour oil. Put all of the oil there. Yeah, like up, no, not put that one. You like put one already? Yeah. Not put the other one. So we just squeeze the curl. Well, there's something in him, sour orange, and cut up the onion and then pan it. Right? And then we have the egg them over here, so I crack them, so I'm hungry, you know, and them I take long enough for it. So I have one and I hold the camera, dad I paint again. And the workman them around there. So today still another working day. And then I'm not joking. Yeah. Just a little bit funny. So when you squeeze a little, just hold this. Just squeeze. Just hold your hand through this and just squeeze a little. Yeah. Alright, that's good. Cut the ranis and then we'll cut up the onion now. So that's where I go to Parry. Here the workman in my background, yeah. Real thing, and we'll pick up the egg them and then we have crackers. We are gonna make some breakfast. See? Next clip. Yeah, people, I'm sure.
You know, Parry.
Yeah. Let me say your own table here right now. Breakfast is being served.
Having tea.
Yeah.
It's Parry.
I show I general right now. I show I run the thing now. Show I general right now. Yeah. Show foot at you now. So yeah, show them here. Yeah. Then look by YouTube, they must see your show. Yeah. We have to them show and make them know your name show. Yeah, boiled egg and sardine. Uncle Murphy?
Yes, Parry. See there?
Yeah. We step up. And me over here, so see me and Dada hide as usual. Next clip. So Parry, breakfast is over. And we have some pigtail here. Uncle Murphy wash it off. We just call it about 2 times, Uncle Murphy? Yeah, we just call it about 2 times. And then we start with the pigs, the red pea soup, you know. The weather kind of look one way. But we not see the cloud them not really black up that much, but you know, time can yeah, overcast. But look here, this is going right here. So we want the red pea soup on the cold stove, you know. Yeah, we don't want it on a gas stove. So that are the fruit that they are going to scald off, and you still hear the man them. Uncle Murphy.
Yes, Parry, big up on yourself.
Breakfast over.
Breakfast over, so we start the ball and roll with
Because I tell them so the pork soup, you know.
Pork soup,
and right now, man, the welder they are work. And the last time we cook red pea soup. And the same thing is like a little history repeat itself, right? Like a welder did there, you know, it last from that, you know, we cook no pork soup, you know. That's some year and ago, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Well, I did there the same day. Yeah. One thing it was not a Sunday, it was a Saturday.
It was a Saturday.
Yeah, history.
History
yeah.
in the making.
And I be a things. We want to share that one day, we don't know, but we can't share it now.
No.
Next clip.
Next clip.
Okay, Parry. So, it water cloudy. Peas and pig still in a pot. Me look some garlic now. The workman then kind of ease off little. So, we start pan dinner now. We are going to deal with some red pea soup. And I so with the. It's chilly outdoor, really chilly. But that is on. And then next week, me show you what I go on. Yeah? So, Parry with that, guess what? We start pan cold stove and say we want. So we want soup with smoke flavor, but we have to go around a wood fire now. You saw me do. I don't see me from morning. Me change this. Lord, I must see chili up here bad. Well, I got this was up here. So what me do now? Me say me I go inside. I go take up the pullover I have to put on. Me have to put it out the door upon the edging for warm it up. Cold is a shame. Me come here with one bottle of water. And I take and I drink some and it come like it come out of the fridge. It kind of chilly up here. Like since we came here this morning, yes. And it like I got to 1 o'clock or after 1 hour with chilly, some of this all of my things. So me have to end up now. Me I go around this so go deal with put on the wood fire. Me I catch it. I never really have no. I never deal with no gas thing to this. So I put the soup, red pea soup, I put it on the wood fire. So that's why you can't see we are show you what I go on. Because the cold just, I don't know, the cold now work for me at all. You see how long it take to cook the egg then this one?
Yeah, cold and hot at all.
You have to get a good bag of cold now to mix with that thing.
Mix with that, yeah.
Yeah, so we're there, so that's why we can't show no more progress. Yeah, but the sun out, you know. The sun is out and pretty nice Sunday afternoon. But it's just chilly. But actually from yesterday evening, a little later than now, it got chilly in the city. Last night it did chilly, but me never cover up with no blanket. That cover up. But you know, so I come down off the floor, even though we're all cold, up here cold man. Me have one sitting on my foot here. But my foot then feel warm, you know, with that little something here. My foot then feel warm. But at that, but as soon as I work from progress, you see me, yeah, every time look like my mother, yeah, she me want to look like. And she look like Mr. Parry. Some breed that drama go on and send me here, I want to share it to do no but me keep. So drama go on yeah. Me don't tell a lie, I'm not going to share it to do but me can't share it. But me have to laugh. Me say some breed that drama. I go on, I said Mary, I never see them from my mother Christmas till I never see them. But you don't know what drama it is. Drama we are dealing with. But yeah, we are start out with soup. Me a smile little cause little I work with all up. It a put show. Yeah. The whole power all up. You know, I should have reached further see but me I give thanks. But you know, look at progress I make. But for me something. Pass out bow show something to answer. So like progress I make me a step a little, you know. So me give God thanks and me give God praise. Yeah. Little by little calm say God. No, it not go send a new year, you know. No. Me I go char iron. You ever hear all the time people say char iron? So me come and I kinda feel pleased this week. And another workman come and one next job where they do. Kind of all up because of somebody else that put through. So I'm feeling blessed, I'm feeling good, and I have other things still there. So I decided there. Some little things really are push. You ever see when traffic back up bumper to bumper? That was what was happening for me. Like for the whole of 2022. A back up traffic I go on here, so it a move little now. You know, so I'm just giving thanks. I've always been giving thanks. But maybe I take it easy and I take it one day at a time. But I guess, look at movements now. So look here. Sure, I line up a wood fire and him no ramping. Sure. Nobody make it strong for burn off a patangle the boy. If I'm not play with the wood fire, you know, so let's see what next I can put on the thing. We really, I feel relocating around this, so, but we still have to borrow it because we still fully Look at this thing. So we have borrowed it. Oh God. I want to sleep though. Last night I sleep, but I'm not sure if me get enough. But I feel like me I go a look a little sleep. But even though I put on the pullover, I still feel chilly. I kind of can't wait for the soup ready. Cause the soup will warm me up, Uncle Murph.
Yeah, man.
Soup will warm me up. So, Parry, next clip. So, Parry, me there, so come lay down. I run with the man, I'm like a show, I set up the wood fire and I take off the pot off of the local workless skull. Some of those cut we left them, that's still a pain, but he might have a little hand problem and kind of pain. So, I just come lay down right here, so little. Just cut we left them. Make the flour do already and food that they peel, so. And me know she'll get it, maybe then we call me when the fire up and running, so. I lay down in a saw a little meds. Maybe a little doors might help me, so. I stretch out in my little bed, ma. You know, I may chill out, so. When the action start again, on the listen, see? I painter that, you know, painter wash out, but family, we can't get rid of the wood fire, so it's a country life, country life. Yeah, Uncle Murphy, where you going with that, boy? Yeah, I feel nice. Yeah, boy, Murphy, don't put so much cocoa in them. Don't put how much you peel already, Murphy? Oh, you peel them rest there. Alright, and flour make and where you have there again, you have sweet potato and your yellow yam. And where you have, what kind of meat you have?
We have pig's tail.
Pig tail, Uncle Murphy, dear chili.
Chili pan.
I will choose to cook the soup. Murphy, can you move up in a life? Are you that? You have table in a kitchen, your boy?
Yes.
As I live. You know, some piece of them are going to give me big head. They said that nobody now get a big food. How big head them are going to give you? Follow me here. What that do with there? Could work listeners? Oh, work listeners. Let me tell you, if anybody ever tells you work like that, call you. You have to do better. Yeah, Papa Jesus. Kuya. Kuda. Sure. I will shoot there. Shoot run. I ain't gonna look. Papa Jesus, we say we go. We take off all the top off of the wood for by wood fire. But we have to borrow it back like a parry. Me I go up me and show you in the next clip. Super bubble. Bubble super bubble. Stir up Murph and can in there. When it comes to shoe and fire, don't play with shoe and fire. You're gonna pot and bleed.
Yes.
Hey, shoot the ramp man when they blaze fire, man. Yeah. See, peas just I go start to cook now in a Murph. Yeah. So let me feel when I peas. Oh, God. Let me feel it. And a tough peas, them, you know. No, man, peas soon cook, man. Make it go and cook another 15-20 minutes. You can't start putting food. Yeah, see, the parry, me have coconut to go blend.
Cut up your idea.
Yeah. Yeah, man, me know. Nice Sunday evening, Murphy. Nice Sunday evening. Only chili. Red pea soup will come back the weather.
Big style, you hear that?
Yeah. Any pork, non-pork eater come here, you know what got to you.
Right, you must eat if you even know
if you eat, the last pork eater come here and he eat soup, you know. Make a lock off the camera. Sorry. Put a bubble, so me I put in some round dumpling. Uncle Murphy, no teeny dumpling. We're not talking about teeny dumpling. No. We're not talking about teeny dumpling today. We're in a different business with the fan. Yes. You understand? Spoon there, Murphy? Yeah, I could scrape him around him. Hey, why we never think of this for a long time? We never know something that cook you. Are the ox tail, this are a pig tail? Not tell them, you know. Super God. This super happen. It's a one. And it not reach the way yet, you know. And it's a one. Show them it, Dad. You zoom up on him, Dad. Zoom up on him. Yeah. Then so see, then I see good now, you know. Make I tell you something. I have to drink my father's soup, you know. Them have to go roll me tonight. Because, trust me. Oh, well, sorry, Dad said, look here. Him not eat no pork. Nah, eat no more pork. I him just want some of my soup. So friend him drink some of my soup. Nobody can taste say eat no pork. The currency was the best, you know. He said, look here, me just drink some ice from somebody can come tell me to eat no pork. Look here, when you come and eat pork, when you say I eat no pork, I eat no, you got you have a specialist to put your pan in there. I wait till list there for put pan on, that's a nice list. Oh, so you must make up your mind that you're eating pork already, eating pork. No way I don't stop out your in between. You say you rich, man?
Yeah, man.
We have a coconut round yonder, you have to go blend. Never blend like blend. Sure? How are you doing this go on with boy? Yeah. Oh, God, Jesus.
Take time I dig it down.
Sure, I deal with them thing, man. Don't worry yourself, sure. Everything good, my brother. Everything good, my boy.
Everything is gonna
Everything
be
alright, sure. Yeah. Nice, look at the dumpling there, you know. Oh, yeah, there's some to make some little peanuts. So, look here. Are you waiting until the dumpling? Sorry.
No, today.
Sorry.
Today is Sunday.
Yes. And weak. Can't make no more dumpling.
Today is Sunday.
Me and then weak, me can't laugh. No, sir.
Yes, man.
Yeah, but hey, right about the thing you think you ramp, and you feel cool, you feel the heat, you feel warm up. These guys got it for that they heavy cool. Eh, sure? Carry back. Tell them say you want your money back. Peanuts, boy, I don't know myself. Look at a bamboo and take bunny. When it burns, when it start to burn, yeah, the ashes just sit down on it. I'm always scared of that type of coal there. And just white and just sit down on it and just like it had stifle the heat. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So, and they say it there, you know?
Right, this one.
And they say it there, Parry. Next clip. Yeah, Parry. I put in some coconut milk here, you know. Rich, you know. This is the real McCoy. Coffee spoon there, show. Hey, show, a real lick thing that I like. Real McCoy, eh. When show I run for you, you know. The coconut milk cold, you know. And that no stop it in the terrace. It's yo. Who them are go on, man. Just stir it up now in the Parry. Yeah. No, sir. Yeah, me look workless though. Yeah, me. I never me peel, you know. It's like a eh. Come like enough food. Me have never want so much food in my pot, brother. Come here, peel up somebody for cocoa, yeah. And you know, say me not a cocoa girl. Come in Parry and tell me, I'm not cocoa somebody. And cocoa, when they start cooking on them, I'm taking it, you know. Yeah. So I put in the sweet potato them now, and the rest of the season. Me a piece of ginger, I got me some pimento seed, I got me a green pepper, and all of that. That's a real McCoy. You know, see what I go on down there? Everybody else, me put them together and let's just stir, make them get body. Me I put some more water in there though. I want a whole of soup, I want a whole of food. Barry. I'm more than half an hour now. I tell Uncle Mark to put your stuff in this. Just a little bit of water, you know. Not even like about a quarter of water and it cover. You ready?
Yeah, come.
Alright, Murphy, tell me how to do, Uncle Murphy.
Add a little ginger to it.
Yeah.
Right.
Good, sir.
Right. A little scallion.
Yeah.
And some scallion.
It's some time, that's some time.
Thyme and scallion.
Yeah.
Right.
Cut up the scallion, then make them boil out, make we get the, you know, yeah. Roll it over it and cut it. Yeah. Pretty Sunday evening. We cut it down, we are putting the sweet potato them I know you cut them small, don't?
Yeah, man, them in there now.
Them in there already?
Yeah, man, I put them in, put in everything.
Me never did know. Alright, cut up. Then you try to put in some pimento seed and the pepper like that. We have anything else?
Pepper and the
pimento seed.
Pimento seed, yeah.
Like that. Yeah. Alright, Parry, next clip. Just a little bit of the salt. Everything good in there, just want a little bit more salt. Yeah. Put in a spoon. Alright. Alright, so I do some stirring now. Coconut milk there. Everything I come together, you want him to stir now. A trunk pot of soup up food in them, you know, some food get to in the family. Because when I stir it, I feel it all in my spine. It's like a week, Yeah, show them it, there. My Uncle Murphy, you're doing this, you know. No, you're not ramp with the cocoa. Stir it up, stir. You see, Murph?
Yeah, man.
I say, look here. I now go back and sit it tonight because I don't eat this the rightest take way. Lord God, Murphy no drink all. Carry home some of you. Remember, I have to drive, you know. Don't eat any food, Murph, do. Where your cake? You didn't carry back?
You know, I forgot it.
Lord God, that cake you should have carried, no boy.
I should have carried, yes.
I want to go on them, Murph?
Yeah, I store them up in
you just put in there now?
Just put in some on the basil.
Yeah, some
and
basil.
Some more
garlic. Yes, sir.
Spice him up, you know?
Yeah.
Yes.
All the body, all him peel, all the body.
Man, coming to come.
Yeah, we want body. Stirring, Murph. Stirring. Yes. Stirring bring the body, you know. Yeah. Take a minute, see what it look like. Stirring, man. Stirring them, Murph. Scrape him round. Give him the 3 sticky scrape round and still. Scrape round the edge, the up high top there. Right, sir. Yeah. Yes, brother. And we are going to tease up the pot. Parry, don't say we next again and know what happened. What got Murph?
Eating time.
I eat me, I go eating up Parry. I'm not going much more with it. I mean, I don't see me again and straight eating me the pan. Because this thing here, it just show right where I go on in night. So we'll tease up the file. Come on. Right. Next clip. You must see it?
Yeah, man.
You must see it, Dad? So, the soup tune, you know, look here. The soup, they cook the food and cook, and then come down. So you see when I stir now, I don't want it not thick on this in a kind of arrowroot porridge, you see? Right? Right, so here we go on now. You find say yeah, soup now, eh? Is what I say? Yeah. You not answer, you not answer. But you say no one and I pork? You just want the soup?
Yes,
Alright, good sir. So this is a town cake. It's a town cake family. So anything we see, we are take up, yeah? Because I know that I eat most of in my city. I'm shy if eat a country. Yeah, Uncle Murphy put in the food them. But them boil out nice soup. I don't mind it. I don't have no problem with that. So we can't find no soup mostly. We can't find no food mostly soup. But me as a woman, I tell you, you know, that's the town cake. A little bit. I want the country cake they for your dad. I eat this.
Yep.
You know, some feel like say you have to eat a ton 2 times. You're supposed to eat out of that cake, you know that.
No problem.
That may I tell you. What that? Alright. May I set up that parry, because you don't know what? No. Yeah. Corn and meat and dumpling. That I can't find nothing else. Yeah, you go and you want soup. The intention wasn't for meat, you know. Uncle Murphy said feeding cake this. Imagine, and I carry home so. I don't want for when you drink and I get dark. Can't see the road and drink too much soup.
You know you was cover it.
No cover no comfy.
No cover, no comfy.
Yeah, man, cover no comfy. Alright, yeah, man, cover them, man. When the heat is up, they come with. But then come with the pig steer and come with the.
And the 2 of them did cover.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so Uncle Murphy, so. I said the soup are going. Probably we have the short some food there. Next clip. Any more meat? Barry has something like it. You see how much soup me have left for dish though. Alright. Yeah. That just I eat little bit because see there? Red pea soup. Red pea soup that they must eat. Or is it dark? Oh yeah, go on so. Yeah, I know. I know boy. I know. So yeah, but this are the town cake, you see Barry. And this is Uncle Murphy. He might go eat when he go down, you know. He say he want to eat and left. And he want to carry some down. Go soup and can. Uncle Murphy. He look like, yeah, that me I do. He look like a panic car top. You have to tie down this. Shoo. Come in, boy. You have one young pat here. Come boy, at this you want, you know, because poor you have to work so hard. You understand? Come boy. So Barry, that as me dish them, you put them a show that, you know. Show. See me, I know, you know. I mean, this, you know, because me I slap up this book, me not business one want say, you know. And the evening, hey! Door slam, the door slam hard. Eh? Yeah. Anybody want then a second serving? Come in now. Me now go so cream. What more can left in the iPad? Come now. Murph, Uncle Murph? Why? You have got I don't panic your attack. Show them Uncle Murphy. Come. Show them Uncle Murphy. See them there? Uncle Murphy, you have got carried up there. You want to have a rope? You have a rope? Yeah, man. Time down panic your attack, man. Time down. Show. See you there, boy? Evening cold. But I mean, I don't know if you have no live blanket tonight. But you know, you can't, you know. Why God, go soup, Barry. I eat that, you know. And look here, we are running late. We are going to swallow a little light. Show are your spoon, listen. Take up your, hey boy, roll what you use on towel, you know, boy. Soup hot here, hey, come over here. Come over here, stove here. Come over here, boy. We still have light here. See you there. See you there. No, I know this that cover. What? Barry. Look at. I want to feel like I this me die doing a count. No, I'm not in this. So see what me have with you.
Nice.
What go and fear around there, Uncle Murph? We tell them, and eat you eat. Tell them to taste your taste, and eat you eat.
Just taste it, you know?
Yeah, Uncle Murphy feed him one feeding cake. Instead of go home, go have him shower, and then him be sure. You around there, go and see me, boy. Oh God, Jesus. Yes, sir. Good, sir. Good. Yeah, man. So, Parry. So I eat this from St. Mary for today in a Parry. It was a really good day for us. Got some work that was hanging in the back, finished. And we make some soup. So she'll get a nice, you know, bowl of red pea soup in the Sunday evening and I cold evening, warm him up. And you can see same love it too, you know, because from him sit down, the same love all up him head. You know, the weather cool. And, whoop, Jesus. How many times in a year that door the slam Parry? Uncle Murphy make us straighten it up, so I eat that, you know. You see what you saw the cold angle with today, angle with real shabby. But look here, never let the evil around you. Never let it take control of you. Stay on top of things. We have some holy evil around me, but guess what? You don't know about me? You don't know me already? Yeah. Upon top of things, they be there every single time. Love you.
It's Barry.
What going on now, Murphy? How that they know?
You just tie it, you just hold the cover, as you know.
Because the cover not so 100. Yeah, Uncle Murphy I carry for him cake, yeah.
So what you say? Yeah, Barry,
yeah,
see that?
Yeah, I the big thumbnail list.
Nice.
Thumbnail.
Wicked.
Yes, sir.